Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to set up add additional DNS for a computer, in the DHCP scope. Normally when we set up the DHCP scope, we set scope options. In the scope options, we set up the router, like a default gateway, we set up DNS server. So the shows here, like the router is 192.168.1.254. And the DNS server is the domain controller because it's a domain controller. And when user log into the computer, they will get a DNS, IP address from the DHCP server and get all these options. Like if I go to the computer, so the computer name is the home PC. So I just log in. When I log into this computer, I run the ipconfig -o/o. So I get this, the default gateway is 254, is DHCP server is this domain controller, and the DNS is this domain controller. And because the user is complaining, sometimes they lost connection with the internet, and because the full qualified domain name could not resolve to the IP address, so we decide to add a Google DNS for this specific computer, but not affect not for other computers. Let's see how can we do this. So all users by default they'll get the DNS as 192.168.1.60. So if we want to add additional DNS for this IP address for this computer home PC, what we can do is we can go to the DHCP server. In the DHCP server, we go to IP needs and find this computer home PC, and then we right click and then we click add to reservation. So now it says add to reservation. When we go to reservations, we just right click this one, we right click, then click config options, and then we go to the 006 DNS server. We added the original IP address 192.168.1.60. And we want to add a Google DNS. So for this, reservation, after we reserve this IP address for this home PC, we add the, the original DNS 192.168.1.60, and also we add additional DNS, which is Google DNS 8.8.8.8. Then we click OK. And when we click OK, we see, for this reservation, we have two DNS IP address. One is 192.168.1.60, and second one is 8.8.8.8. But for the other, computers, they are still using this from here. They are still using the reservation from the, if I go there. So go scope options, just refresh. So for the other, because this scope has already set up the default gateway like a router and also DNS server, which is 192.168.1.60. So let's see, what happened because we have set up reservation for this home PC to add additional, DNS IP address. If we log into the computer, this home PC, so we run the IP config /o. So just when you say DNS is not changed, so what we can do is we can just renew the IP address. We just run the IP config. And then we run the IP config again. So we see, we successfully add additional DNS for this home PC. This, we added from the reservation. So through the DHCP reservation, we can add, additional DNS to specific, computer, but not affecting other computers. That's all I show you today. Thank you.